Welcome to the new improved Scormify, where you can easily convert your content into SCORM-compliant e-learning courses, which you can upload to any LMS. My name is Jacqueline, and I'm Knowledge Anywhere's marketing specialist. And today we're going to go over how Scormify is different and how you can easily convert your content in just 3 easy steps. So besides the design and layout, we've also added the feature to add PowerPoints. So today I'm going to go over how to add that PowerPoint. Now this goes for any of these other services, for example, YouTube, Vimeo, PDF, streaming. Today we're just going to go over the PowerPoint, and I'm going to type in my title. I'm going to have it as the default style. You can change and manage styles up here. You can choose your language. I'm an English speaker, so I will be choosing English. And the percent completion shows how far you want learners to get through this PowerPoint until you deem it complete. So I'll do 80%, and let's add a PowerPoint. Learning path overview. So now we're in the second step. Once I hit create, it will take a few minutes to download, and that's the third step. It's processing right now, and once you download it, don't worry, because this will save in the history right up here. So this upper menu is where you're going to want to find everything that you can. This screen is our home screen. Our upgrade screen shows you what Scormify's pricing tier plans are. We currently have 3. History will view and download previous courses. And then manage styles, as I briefly mentioned before, will allow you to select if you want this default or dark. Now that we have a success, we can download here, and it will automatically download to our computer and pop up with the SCORM files. Now, if you want to see, these are all of my current downloads, which you can download again. And as you can see, they're done. The one we did was just right up top right here. And I hope that this has been a good overview for you of how in 3 easy steps you can Scormify any of your e-learning material. For more, you can contact support@knowledgeanywhere.com anytime. Thank you.